What's up, everybody? It's Dan from Binder Boneyard. Making a quick video here. With summer coming to an end, windshield wipers are going to start being a thing again. And I get questions every once in a while from people wanting to know how to replace the wiper motor in their Scout 2s. Because it is kind of a, it's kind of tricky. So just a little overview of how they all go together, and then, some tips. So here is a complete assembly. This would be if you are in front of the Scout looking at it. It's up under the windshield like that. So as you can see, it's all together. So when you take the wiper motor out, you'll have to reach up under the cowl, like up under here, and there's 3 bolts, and if you're lucky they will not be that corroded, because when they get corroded, this windshield frame's rusting through already. I shouldn't say already, they all do, but you'll undo those 3 bolts first after you remove the top cover here. Get in there, remove those bolts, and then you'll see in our example here, this guy right here, it slides. You'll need a piece of needle nose plier or something to slide it because it's pretty stiff. But when it's in the assembly under the window, it's hard to see it. You can see through the vent there. I've already undone it for the sake of the video and time and little one's ears. I've already undone that from the assembly, and then once you got that, then you can the motor just kind of slides uphill a little bit and then comes out through the hole. And then, oh yeah, don't forget your wiring. Undo your wiring. And then you can lift it out. And then you reinstall the new motor pretty much the same way. Slip it in there about to where it goes. Get it lined up with the pin on the wiper arm assembly. And then if you got it all tight and snug, then you slide that little slider back over and should be good to go. Some of it's just frustrating, not having things lined up. Make sure everything is lubricated good. Make sure you got, grease on those pins. Make sure before you put this assembly back in that you slide the little slider a bunch to make sure that it functions like it's supposed to. That just all makes for a better install. So hopefully that makes some sense. Oh, and make sure you test the motor before you put it in. And that's as simple as putting power to a couple of the pins and grounding it, and then should tell you if you have a good motor or not. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful for everybody. Thank you for all the comments and likes and shares. Please subscribe, and I'll keep making these dang videos.